Hi students, MCQ number 10. The average kinetic energy of a gas molecule at 27 degrees Celsius is 6.21 into 10 power minus 21 joule. Its average kinetic energy at 127 degrees Celsius will be to be determined. Now first of all, we have studied different expressions like kinetic energy or average kinetic energy of one molecule, then 1 mole of the gas, like that. Here what is given is for one single molecule. Okay, so the translatory kinetic energy or the average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 K into T. Okay, so average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 kT. This is for one gas molecule. If it is for 1 mole means 3 by 2 R into T. Is it not? The capital R into T. Anyhow, K is also constant, R is also constant. Therefore, average kinetic energy. The average kinetic energy is proportional to the temperature. So, I will say that initial kinetic energy is KE1. It is proportional to temperature T1. And KE2 is proportional to the temperature T2. Now the temperatures T1 and T2 are given in degrees Celsius. We have to convert them into Kelvin. So T1 is equal to 27 plus 273 in Kelvin. That is equal to 300 K. Similarly, what must be T2 equal to 127. So 127 plus 273 Kelvin. This is equal to 400 K. Okay. Now KE1 is given. KE1, that is the kinetic energy, average kinetic energy. The first case is equal to how much? 6.21 into 10 power minus 21 joule. And kinetic energy 2 is to be determined. So we can divide these equations. KE2 divided by KE1 is equal to T2 divided by T1. So the kinetic energy in the second case divided by kinetic energy in the first case must be equal to what? T2 divided by T1. Therefore, kinetic energy in the second case, this is equal to T2 by T1 into KE1. So this is understanding the idea involved in solving the problem. Okay, afterwards only substitution only. So T2 by T1, what we have to substitute? 400 by 300. So this is now equal to 400 divided by 300 into 6.21 into 10 power minus 21. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. So I will multiply 6.21 by 4. So 6 4s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 21. Once again we have to divide this by 3. Therefore, kinetic energy 2 is equal to 8 3s are 24 direct. So this is 8 point. So in 8, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, remaining 2. So 2 and 4 will make 24. Once again, 8 3s are 24. So into 10 power minus 21 joule. Such simple divisions, for that we need not use log book or calculators and all. We have to use our brain, okay, our mind calculation only. So it is very easily divisible. So we got the answer as what? 8.28 into 10 power minus 21 joule. So option B is the correct answer. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So we started with the expression for the kinetic energy per molecule because it is given of a gas molecule. Okay, so this equation. For 1 mole means 3 by 2 RT also we can substitute, but in both the cases the average kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. That means temperature must be converted in Kelvin. Take care. Don't substitute directly in degree Celsius. Okay. So after substituting, we have got the answer as the option B. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.